Sturdy, reliable ATV ramps are something that every rider should have in their arsenal. Trying to load your quad onto a truck or trailer without ramps is needlessly difficult and risky, and even if you're lucky enough to live where you ride, inevitably you'll eventually need some of our best ATV ramps to load your machine up to take it in for servicing or head off in search of new trails. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best ATV ramps in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Black Widow Bifold Ramp. One of the longest ramps on the market. Longer ramps are ideal for larger pickup trucks and are generally safer for all users. Bifold ATV ramp with 1,500 pounds weight capacity. 7 foot 1, 95 inches long, 50 inch wide when in use. Folds up to 7 feet 11 inches long, 25 inch wide and 5 height. The rungs are serrated for extra traction. Ramp weighs 41 pounds. A one-piece ramp is heavier than 2 separate ramps, so this could potentially be an issue for some users. Comes with 2 adjustable safety straps to secure the ramp to the vehicle. Number 2. Pit Posse pair of ATV folding ramps. Pit Posse is a top-rated industry leader known for making some of the best ATV ramps on the market. Strong aluminum construction, heavy-duty hinges and joints ensure years of reliable use. These ramps come fully assembled, so they're ready to use right out of the box. It's also a nice touch that they include a couple tie-down straps to keep them secure for easier loading and unloading. Each ramp weighs only 16 pounds and folds up to a length of 46 inches. Fully extended, each ramp is 89 inches long, 11 inches wide long, and capable of holding 750 pounds. With an overall length of 7.5 feet, these ramps may not be the best fit for consumers looking for a longer ramp with a less steep angle. Number 3. Yutrax Bifold ATV Ramp. This ramp is about a foot longer than other similar competitor ramps. When opened, it is 86 inches long and 50 inches wide. When folded, ramp is 86 inches long x 25.4 inches wide. This ramp may be heavier and more unwieldy to use / set up due to the fact that it is one piece rather than 2 separate ramps. This isn't necessarily a deal breaker, but should be considered. It weighs 43 pounds and has a weight capacity of 1,600 pounds. Comes with adjustable straps to secure the ramp in place. Yutrax is manufactured by Artism, an outdoor manufacturing company that has been in business since 1960. Heavy-duty hinges and joints are welded for extra strength. Number 4. Clevr Punch Plate ATV Ramp Pair. Punch plate design is easier and more comfortable to walk on and reduces the risk of injury from getting a foot stuck. However, the cutouts have sharp edges, so using heavy gloves is recommended. Unfolded, the ramps are 7.5 feet long, 11 inches wide, and have a combined weight capacity of 1,500 pounds. Folded in half, they measure 46 inches x 11 inches x 6 inches. Ramps weigh 16.5 pounds each. The arch design allows for better clearance and easier loading / unloading for low-clearance vehicles like lawn mowers / motorcycles. Arched ramps are also better for users who have both ATVs and motorcycles. A potential downside of this arched construction is that when folded, these ramps are about an inch taller than competing models. Consider this if you're tight on space. 2 safety straps are included with your ramp purchase. Number 5. Clevr Universal ATV and Snowmobile Ramp. The ramp has an overall width of 52 1/8 inches. Each outer ramp is 12 5/8 inches wide. Middle rung area is 25 5/8 inches wide with 6.5 inches between rungs. With a trifold design, this ramp folds down to 7.5 inches long, 27 inches wide and 5 inches thick. At 50 pounds, this ramp is definitely on the heavier side. The compromise is a bit of extra weight for added functionality. This is the best ATV ramp for multi-sport enthusiasts, works for ATVs and snowmobiles. It can accommodate snowmobile ski stances down to 30 inches. Also works for golf carts and other vehicles with 4 wheels like riding mowers. Not ideal for heavy motorcycles or push mowers. Although the ramp is technically one piece, the weight should be dispersed equally on the two end pieces for a total of 1,500 pounds. Weight capacity of 1,500 pounds. Includes a strap for securing the ramp to your vehicle. That was our list of the top 5 best ATV ramps in 2023 just for you.